Hey creators, do you know that 70% of the watch time on YouTube actually right now is coming from YouTube Shorts? And it is the same for Instagram too. And for Instagram, it's more than 85%. But here is the kicker that everyone of you needs to know. Most of the viral YouTube shorts actually starts as long videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can transform 1 hour long podcast, any sort of videos into 15 second, 30 second, 45, 60 second viral clips from Wizard AI. This is the tool that is going to clip short videos from your long videos and going to add subtitles, music, copyright free also, and subtitles also. So now it is time for me to turn your long videos into YouTube shorts and reels. And those videos are definitely going to get you a lot of reach, and you can create so many. To all the editors, you need to be very aware because your job is going to go away. Here is something that you need to understand. Shorts actually gets 10x more views than long videos, but creating them, editing them, adding subtitle and all of that stuff, it's very time consuming. Where Wizard AI actually changes the game. It actually auto generates punchy clips from long videos, adds subtitles, optimizes for silence also, and it actually helps you to repurpose content in different platforms in just under few minutes. And you don't need to hire editors for that. You can actually do it yourself also. Let me just take you to my screen, and there I will show you step by step how you can start and how you can do the same for yourself. Let's go. First, you need to come over here and you need to type Wizard AI. Then here comes the first website, create social ready videos with AI instantly. Then click over here and you're gonna come to this page. After coming to this page, you can see over here, turn your long videos into viral clips with AI magic. These are the kind of videos, and this is how you do the AI clipping. Trusted by 5 lakh plus creators and businesses. Turn long videos into 30 plus clips in 1 click. Exactly, that's what we're gonna do. Look at this: news, coach, podcast, everything. You can introduce your teams for collaboration, and these are the features that actually works. It highlights the speaker, it auto reframe, it actually focuses on the subject, which is the speaker who is speaking, and it actually detects that. It adds emojis, b-roll also, and it also provides you with caption and hashtags also. It's an amazing tool. So now once you come over here, just get the login done, and then let's jump directly inside the tool. Now here you can see the interface of Wizard AI. You can upload from link, you can upload local file, you can record video over here, you can import from Zoom. Here you can see, I have actually made a lot of projects over here. I have also bought the paid plan, and it is doing wonders for me. Okay, now let's create our first project. Now let me first go to YouTube and let me find a long video, and from that we're gonna clip. Okay, so let's go on Monis AI Unfiltered. I have copied the link. You just copy the link of whatever video that you want. Come to this thing, create project, upload from link, paste the link over here. You can paste the link from YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, StreamYard. I'm pasting the link from YouTube. Let's paste. Now the quality, you can select your own choice. I'm selecting 4K because I have uploaded the 4K video. Language, you can select auto detect language, or if it's in English, you can select English or whatever language you have. I'm gonna select English, then get AI clips. Okay, let's click upload. Now you can select the ratio that you want, 1:1, 9:16, or you want both. I will select 9:16. Now you can select over here, you want less than 30 second clips, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 second, or 90 second to 3 minute clip. Let's say if I just want 30 to 60 second clips. Now I'm going to select this, or if you want all, you can select all. Auto emoji, highlight keywords, yes. Here you can also select the template also, this template. Okay, click on apply. And there is one more amazing thing that you need to understand over here. You can actually also identify topics, which is optional, which is you can include keywords to include relevant content for you. For example, let's say I'm including over here. You can include the keywords according to you can include the keywords. For example, you think I want around prompt engineering, so you can write prompt engineering, but I'm not going to do that, and I mostly don't do that. I just get I mostly do this, get AI clips, and let's wait. It's almost it's uploading, and then it's gonna create project, find best parts, and then we will be done. Let's wait for a few seconds, and then let's see the results. Now in between, until it's generating, I'm gonna tell you one thing, which is, let's say if you are a clipper and you take videos from different YouTube channels, different creators, and then you post on your own. Now, in order for you to avoid the copyright strike, make sure you give them the credit below the description. So just type video credit and just give the original link of the video, because this actually keeps the YouTube algorithm happy and you will avoid strikes. Okay, so it's almost done now. It has taken around 3 to 5 minutes to generate clips, and now I'm gonna highlight a lot of things for you. Now just notice everything that I'm gonna tell you for the next 5 minutes of this video. So here is something which the AI is doing. It has found 10 highlights from this video, and now AI is actually editing our videos. So now, as you can see on the left corner, you can see the score. So the score means this clip could go viral because it presents a seemingly unbelievable concept, earning millions through a single well-crafted sentence, and connects it with the trending topic of the artificial intelligence, making it irresistible to a broad audience. The score, the better the chances of going viral. Now it's just getting the editing process done. It will be done in just maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So now, as you can see over here, it's done. We have got our 10 videos well under 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, let's just watch one video over here.
What if I told you that one perfectly crafted sentence can unlock millions of dollars of worth value to you? Sounds crazy, right? But let me tell you, it's not fiction, it's happening right now. And prompt engineering is actually making this possible in today's world. In fact, businesses are already using.
So now here is something that I'm going to do. I'm not going to take you through all the 10 clips. Let me just give you example of one clip, and you can apply this to all the clips that you will be generating by using Wizard AI. Let's go. First thing first, you can directly actually export on 720p, 1080p to 2K, 4K. I'm not going to do that. We're going to click on edit over here. Let's go over here. So after clicking on edit, I can do a lot of things over here. First thing first, I can see the transcript. So if there is something that I think is wrong, or maybe I want to highlight something, I can actually do that too. I don't want to do that. So if I want to change a template, let's say if this is in this particular format and I want to change the format, then I can change the format from over here also. Let me just give you one example. Look at this. It's gonna change the template, but I don't want that. So let's go back to the previous one, not this one. Yeah. Now you can actually make your own custom template also by choosing a layout, subtitle, headline, background, logo, and everything. You can do that too over here. This comes under advanced setting. You can do that. Okay. Now the subtitles, if you think any subtitle is wrong, you can actually change it over here. If you want to add more emojis, you can do that too. If you want to change the style also, the font combination, the color, the shadow, stroke, background, highlight, you can actually do that too. If you want to add more text, more headline, more body text, or if you want to change the style, you can do that too. If during a video you are playing the video from over here and you want to add any image, any video, you can do that too from over here only. You want to change the background a little, you want to add any sort of photos from over here, you can do that too. You want to upload directly from your gallery, you can do that too. So it's all in one package. Now let's say if I want to change the frame and I want to make it 1:1, then it's going to get applied. It's going to take a few minutes. I don't want to do that, but still I'm doing it just for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has changed the ratio and now it's 1:1. You can do a lot of things. So here are some things that you need to understand. There are some things that you can do with AI. Silences, it has already removed, so it's not going to work. Let's say you want to add b-rolls, you can do that. Let's say you want to hide emphasize keywords, you can apply this and it will start applying it. You just need to wait because it's processing. If you want to change the ratio to back to 9:16, you can even do that too.
What if I told you that one perfectly crafted sentence can unlock millions of dollars of worth value to you? Sounds crazy, right? But
okay, so it's done with that too. Now let's say if I want to add emojis to subtitle, I can do that too. Let's say I want to add b-rolls. It will add context and it will keep viewers engaged with visuals, and I can apply that too. Let's try that too. Okay, so it has added the b-rolls also. Let's watch the video.
Fiction, it's happening right now. And prompt engineering.
Now let's watch our videos with the added b-rolls that AI have done for us.
What if I told you that one perfectly crafted sentence can unlock millions of dollars of worth value to you? Sounds crazy, right? But let me tell you, it's not fiction, it's happening right now. And prompt engineering is actually making this possible in today's world. In fact, businesses are already using this skill to automate workflows, generate content, and even create entirely new products, all powered by artificial intelligence. And here is the best part, you don't need any sort of coding experience to actually master it. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how you can use prompt engineering.
Definitely the B-rolls can be better, but you can do these little tweakings on your own end. Now, if you want to export, preparing to export, you can directly export and you will be done with this. If you want to share it with your team members before you export, you can share that too. Estimated processing time will be 2 to 5 minutes. If you want to schedule from over here, you can schedule that too. Let's say if you want to generate a post, let's say we click for Instagram. Let's click generate. It's going to generate us caption and hashtags. Look at this. Discover the transform. It's a very good caption, very good and amazing caption, and hashtags also. And I can publish directly from over here also. Let's say if I click on publish, then I need to just connect the accounts, and when you connect over here, then you will be able to post automatically. Awesome, amazing. Now, these are all the features that you get inside Wizard AI. Now, let me just take you through the billing process on how much you need to pay to get access to this. So as you can see over here, I have bought this $19 monthly plan where I get 400 upload minutes, where I can upload 400 minutes of content and I can get shots from there. Now, let's say if I want to add minutes, then here is how I can do. So for 400 minutes, you need to pay around $19. For 800, you need to pay $38. For 1200, $57 on a monthly basis, and I think it's worth it. The amount of features that you get, you can make your calendar, you can manage all your socials over here right now. You can have a brand kit over here, and this is how you can use Wizard AI. You can add logos, colors, subtitles, text, everything of your brand. You can add outros also, and AI will do the job of adding it at the end of your videos. So this was it from this particular video. I hope you loved this video, and if you have liked this particular tool, then to access this particular tool, you can click the link below. First link, just click that particular link and get access to Wizard AI. I would definitely recommend you to upgrade, but if you don't want to upgrade and if you just want to use it freely, you can use that too. That's totally your choice. And now I have an amazing offer for you. If you want to join my Telegram for absolutely free, the link is given below. Join that Telegram group so that you get updates regarding AI every day, every minute, so that you get updates around AI and what's coming, what's in the news, every new tool. You will get access to that over there inside my Telegram channel. So join that Telegram channel too. And if you have loved this video, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, share this with your friends and family. And now I will see you in the next video. This is me, Moniz, signing off. Bye.